Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the rear OLED touchscreen on Mission 1 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you want to customize it, first you want to make sure that your GoPro is turned on. Here, let me quickly rotate it back. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go and scroll down and now go over into the preferences. Here in preferences, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we can easily go to the let's scroll down, let's go to this place. Here we have screensaver, we got the brightness that we can, for example, make a bit lower, and now this is how it looks like. We also get the capture info, so we can display capture settings info on the screen, and we can get a grid, so 3x3 grid, and it is definitely one of the best grids. Here we have screensaver, so let me quickly just place it like this and hold it. Here you guys can switch it up to 5 minutes, or you can just keep it at never. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply leave those settings. Now let's just leave completely, and here what are we going to do is we're going to open up profiles, we're going to go to manage modes, and here in three dots we can also go to edit settings, and we can scroll all the way down. We can enable the dashboard. As you guys can see, it lets you update your dashboard settings automatically when you choose a mode, so we're going to click OK. Here we have voice control, beeps, LEDs, we got the screen lock, and we can just turn it off like this. Here we have the shortcuts, so we can also do the shortcuts for lower left, lower right, upper left, and upper right, so we can easily change it. For example, here I want the delay timer. Now here in lower right I want let's say let's just keep it at resolution and frames per second. Here we can change the upper right. Instead of aspect ratio, we can get the duration, and here the upper left, instead of zoom, we can just turn it off. And as you guys can see, whenever we leave those settings, we will see that everything has been changed. So we got our grid, we got our design, we got our infos on the screen, everything's working just fine. And that's how you guys can easily customize the rear OLED touchscreen on your Mission 1 Pro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.